How to replace a Human Touch WholeBody 8.0 massage mechanism. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, preferably magnetized, a wire cutter, and zip ties. Be sure to save all removed parts for reassembly. To get started, power off the chair. Then unplug it. Next, loosen, or remove, the 2 screws from the top of the power panel. Pull the power panel out of the backrest, then unzip the backrest upholstery. Now, feed the power panel, remote control and power cord through the hole in the backrest upholstery. Flip the backrest upholstery over the backrest. Lift up on the black plastic mechanism cover to detach it, then remove the cover from the chair. Remove the 3 screws that secure the PCB box to the chair frame. Then, lift the PCB box out of the backrest and set it on top of the backrest with the screws facing up. Now, remove the 7 screws that secure the PCB box cover, then remove the cover. Cut the 6 large zip ties that secure the cable bundles to free the massage mechanism cables. Once the cables are freed, disconnect all of the connectors along the top edge of the PCB except the last 3 on the left. Cut the 2 small zip ties that secure the small cable bundles along the bottom edge of the PCB. Then, disconnect all of the connectors from those 2 cable bundles, except the 3 red connectors and the middle white connector. The massage mechanism cables are now free from the chair. Set the PCB box carefully off to the side, out of the way. Remove the 12 screws that secure the massage mechanism to the chair frame. Finally, lift the lower edge of the mechanism upward, then slide the mechanism out of the backrest. To install the new mechanism, first slide the upper edge up into the backrest, then lower the rest of the mechanism into the backrest cavity. While pushing the mechanism upward into position with one hand, replace the two top screws to hold the mechanism in place. Now, replace the remaining 10 screws to finish securing the mechanism to the chair. Remove the tie wrap that secures the mechanism cables. Next, carefully place the PCB box back onto the backrest, then reconnect each of the massage mechanism connectors. Match the connectors by size and color. To keep the cables organized and prevent them from getting pinched by the box cover, install new zip ties in roughly the same locations as they were previously installed. Cut the excess zip ties. Now, position each cable strain relief into an available slot in the edge of the PCB box tray. Place the PCB box cover into position, aligning the screw holes. Make sure there are no cables pinched between the tray and the cover. Replace the 7 screws to secure the PCB box cover to the tray. Next, place the PCB box into position between the massage mechanism and the chair frame, pushing the cables on the lower edge of the box underneath the metal bracket so they are not bent. Replace the 3 screws to secure the PCB box to the chair. Note the tabs along the edge of the black plastic mechanism cover, and the corresponding slots on the chair. Insert the right-hand tabs into the slots, lower the cover into position, then insert the left-hand tabs into the slots. Now tuck the upper and lower tabs into their respective slots. Flip the backrest upholstery back into position. Then, feed the remote, the power cord, and the power panel through the hole in the upholstery. Next, close the backrest zippers. Slide the tab on the lower edge of the power panel under the chair frame. Then, pushing the power panel cables into the backrest, lower the upper edge of the panel into position. Replace the 2 screws to secure the power panel to the chair. Finally, plug in the chair. Power it on. Then confirm that the chair is working properly.